Hi guys, I'm Holipace. I'm a singer-songwriter from Lagos, Nigeria.
Holipace talks much anticipated music featuring Tupengo.
My new single is titled to Sokutuowo, which I featured Tupengo on it. Way back, everybody will know Tupengo. You were from days of Nice. It's been there, and the music is kind of like a danceable song. Just the music that actually I sang for me to. I will see like a first official single that I'm dropping, and I also have another song titled Caribbean Love, which is also online.
In a recent interview with us, fast-rising Nigerian singer and songwriter talked journey and much anticipated debut single with Tupengo.
Yeah, the journey so far has been very rough, so we try to push it. I started music a couple of years back. Try to be myself and try to, because I love music growing up. I love doing music. I stopped music somewhere to do some stuff by myself. Now I'm back. Not easy. The game is different from where it is.
Talking about his style of music and his influences, here is what he has to say.
I do Afro pop music, like world and what do you call it? More like a Fuji kind of tone. I'm very versatile. I can anything I can be able to. Growing up, I listened to Yusuf Olatunji, late Barista, Orlando. To blessed respect to them, grow up, I listened to them very well. Because I remember my grandmother playing Orlando, so I got inspired from there. Shout out to Sound City for having me. Shout out to MRQ, FOJ, Tupengo, and Moshke. So I'll come your way next time.